Who holds the keys to the skies of tomorrow? In the race for aerial supremacy, the world has seen a staggering evolution of flight technology. From the rudimentary designs of the Wright brothers to the sleek, supersonic jets of today, the journey of aerial technology is a fascinating tale of human ingenuity and relentless pursuit of dominance in the skies. At the dawn of the 20th century, the concept of flight was a mere fantasy. The Wright brothers, however, dared to challenge this notion. In 1903, the brothers made their mark on history with the Wright Flyer, a biplane that demonstrated the feasibility of flight. The Wright brothers' success sparked a revolution. In the following decades, the world witnessed an explosion of innovation. During the First World War, airplanes evolved from simple reconnaissance vehicles to potent instruments of warfare. The introduction of machine guns and bombs transformed the nature of warfare and established the significance of aerial dominance. In the interwar period, the pursuit of speed and range led to the development of more efficient engines and aerodynamic designs. The aircraft became faster, more reliable, and capable of carrying heavier payloads. The Second World War saw the debut of jet engines, which propelled aircraft to speeds unimaginable just a few years prior. Post-war advancements led to the birth of supersonic jets. The breaking of the sound barrier by Chuck Yeager in 1947 marked a new era in aviation. The Cold War further accelerated the development of aerial technology with the introduction of stealth technology, which allowed aircraft to avoid detection by radar systems. In the 21st century, the focus shifted towards unmanned aerial vehicles, or drones. Drones have revolutionized warfare, providing unprecedented surveillance capabilities and precision strike options. Today, the race for aerial dominance is more intense than ever. Hypersonic technology, which allows aircraft to travel at speeds greater than Mach 5, is the latest frontier. The development of artificial intelligence and autonomous systems are also shaping the future of aviation. So what does the future hold? Will artificial intelligence and autonomous systems take over the cockpit? Will hypersonic technology redefine the boundaries of speed and range? In summary, the journey of aerial technology has been a tale of human ingenuity and relentless pursuit of dominance in the skies. From the Wright brothers' first flight to the development of hypersonic technology, each step has redefined the boundaries of what is possible. The future is exciting and unpredictable, but one thing is certain: the race for aerial dominance will continue to push the boundaries of innovation. The skies of tomorrow are a canvas for the dreamers and innovators of today. As the story of aerial technology continues to unfold, the only limit is the breadth of human imagination. The keys to the skies of tomorrow are in the hands of those daring enough to reach for them.